See the lines? Dude, this is actually kind of insane. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and lightly tap the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications and don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button. In this episode, we are gonna be working on our Golf R, and this one here is gonna be one of the last episodes. We're gonna get this thing fully assembled, and as for mods, we're not quite sure just yet. Actually, go ahead and comment down below what mods you guys would like to see and what really looks good. I know many of you guys have been commenting saying about the taillights. These are not like the Euro spec taillights. Yes, these are the stock US market taillights here for the Golf Rs. I had literally like 100 comments of people saying, yo, those are not the right taillights. Why does that have like Jetta taillights or something? Anyways, I don't know. That's the taillights it came with. That's the taillights by VIN number. Without much further talking, what we gotta do is go ahead and replicate our factory look. By that, what we're gonna do is block this whole thing out, make sure it is all nice and flat. It does look really good, and the door was laid down flat, so the clear actually, you know, looks really OEM. It does have a couple of dirt nips which we're gonna get out, but the quarter panel needs just the lightest buff. So guys, let's go ahead and get our sandpaper out, get all that stuff out, start blocking that, making sure that thing looks nice and flat. And if you guys are new to this channel or don't know about the giveaway I'm doing, be sure to check it out down in the description area. It's only a $5 entry and you can win up to $800. Let's get this video rolling. Alrighty guys, so we got the quarter panel basically ready to start polishing. And as you guys saw there, I did some wet sanding, some dry sanding. I did dry sanding just to tell how much peel is left on the actual quarter panel. And then when I got it to where I want it, I got it down with some 1500 wet, 2 grand wet, 3 grand wet, and 5000 wet. So the cars, I mean, the quarter panel is literally perfect. Like once it's gonna get polished out, it's gonna be like a darn glass. Let's go ahead and pull out, oh, we got a little scratch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that up. But let's go ahead and pull out our buffing, our polisher, get that compound number 1 cutting pad on, get this thing polished out, and you guys will see this thing will be literally a glass. So let's get right into it. Dude, this is actually kind of insane. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Dude, this thing is looking absolutely like a mirror. From any angle you look at it, is just 100% perfect. Crazy how the bodywork is all like perfect. You literally can't tell that this quarter panel has been replaced. Guys, we went ahead and did stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3 with the polishing. Got all the holograms, all the halos, everything you can think of in the sun. You know how you talk about, I mean, the people that polish or people that rebuild cars, they know what I'm talking about. After you buff a car, you see some holograms in the sun. Went ahead and got everything done professionally, nice and clear, and it's looking mint. It's looking brand new. Right now, what we got to do is go ahead and put the rear bumper bracket on over here, the door handle on here. We got to get this whole entire car piece together and basically get the fender liner in, cut everything in over there, make sure everything's nice and clean. A lot of you guys are asking me or saying, Tim, why are you not masking off the interior? It's getting a lot of dust, it's getting dirty inside. We're gonna go ahead and drop this thing off for basically like an insane detail. Inside, outside is gonna be 100% spotless after it gets back from the detail shop. So that's why I don't really care as much for the interior. I'm not really damaging it. I'm not really putting any scratches or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get this whole entire exterior buckled together, and we're gonna start off with the door handle and work our way onto the back. Look at this, ready? Boom. Guys, the Golf R is very, very close to being complete. But before we do put on this side skirt, I wanted to show you guys a very interesting thing that I haven't really seen on cars, I guess. I was wondering why that rocker panel over there has holes in it. And I had this little piece which was inside the car. If this was inside the car, I would have never really needed this, I guess, because this has double tape. This is the rocker panel. This is the used one. I mean, the one that was originally in the car. We do have a brand new painted one. So this piece here, I was a little confused on how it works and just kind of tinkering with it. It seems like it goes in right inside here, like that. And then you have your screws that go into the rocker over here and it just slides on. Basically, you pop this thing up to the car, slide it in, and then you peel the double tape and make sure this top is flush and fit, which is pretty interesting. So what we gotta do, where we replace the quarter panel, we gotta drill some more holes, make sure that's all nice and neat. We're gonna pick the car up right now to make that much easier for us. And then we're gonna put some undercoat inside the wheel well arc and a fender liner on. But that is pretty darn close. It's looking absolutely amazing. Just look at this thing, dude. It's looking so sick. It definitely needs a polish because the parts that are not painted are like almost blue compared to the black. So deep, the black is just so rich. And also I noticed this right here, wheel arc, I mean this rear bumper like arcs out and it makes this rear end look much wider. We have not seen the car with the diffuser just yet, but it's just beautiful. The Golf R is coming together and it's gorgeous. Honestly, I understand the hype behind the car now. I never really understood it in pictures, but once driving it, seeing it in person, especially working on it, it's very beautiful. Alrighty guys, well this is where I'm gonna leave you guys off for the night. It is getting dark. It was kind of raining, so we had to pause and then kind of back and forth. It's taking a lot longer to assemble, and the reason for that is because I'm trying to get everything tightened up, making sure everything's nice and neat, gaps are set, all perfect. But I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go ahead and finish up a couple more things on this thing, and then I'll show you guys a clear walk around, most likely a car wash, make it nice and clean. Catch you guys tomorrow. Next morning here guys, and I just realized that last night we did all the work on the Golf R. It is looking absolutely stunning. It is looking beautiful. We got the car just a little bit cleaned up. We did not polish the rear door because, as I told you guys earlier, we're gonna go ahead and drop this car off for a full detail, interior and exterior. But before anything, let me show you guys some cinematics of this car, and I'll catch you guys right after that. I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic we pieced together for you guys. The Golf R turned out amazing. Before we take a look around the car, I want to show you guys the new merch that we just got. This is actually really nice, super high quality. And as you guys can tell, we do have another one right here. This is the legendary car that actually basically got me to where I am with the channel. But let's go ahead and take a look at the Golf R. The rear bumper was painted. The quarter panel, the bodywork on the quarter panel, guys, it just looks amazing. It looks so clean. It looks better than the rest of the car, but we're gonna get the car all detailed up. Let's take a close look at this quarter panel. Look at this. It's literally a mirror. Like, look at that. What's up? All right, so got all the color matched. Everything is looking perfect. This Golf R is just amazing. I do have 2 more video ideas on the car, maybe 3. I want you guys to comment down below if you guys want a price reveal, first of all, and then a second one, basically surprising the owner with the car, just seeing his reaction, giving him a pull, because I don't think he's ever driven the car before. Last time he saw it, the car had a wheel that was torn out and it didn't move whatsoever. But guys, without much further talking, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can show your support by smashing that like button. And if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and lightly tap the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to cop yourself some merch to support your boys, and follow my Instagram at BYBTIM, because we just did a photo shoot right over here. So we're gonna have some fire pics of this car, very fresh, as soon as the video drops. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. That man's crazy.